Okay, hi guys. Found this today in work, an old master padlock. Got a little door there, so I presume it's an exterior one. Thought I'd have a play with it. That's the key that comes with it. A bit rusty. Thought I could see what I could do with it. The easiest way to open this, I would imagine, has got to be my favourite toy in the world, the old claw. Let's give it a try. Oh, always catches on that door. There you go. Just lock it up again. I'll try it this way. It's easier because it doesn't catch on there. Try it again. There you go. Just goes so easy with that. That's just far too easy. Let's try raking it. We got a Dino snake. There you go. Normally, when I've been trying before, that tends to open first or second click. Obviously a little bit camera shy, but anyway. There you go. Quite an easy lock, to be honest with you. I don't think I'd want it on my shed. There you go. That's the master padlock piece of cake. Okay.